Whew. Hey, you guys. Alright, so clearly back home from Vegas. You guys know that. I'm picking up where left off with you guys the next morning. Sorry on that Vegas vlog if it just like cut out. We were absolutely exhausted when we got home. So we basically just like vegged out on the couch for the rest of the night, which like wasn't that interesting to you guys. I was gonna do like a whole post-travel skincare routine, and oh my god, I look like I've been smuggling freaking meatballs in my cheeks. What the hell? I'm so puffy. So today is the day before Christmas Eve, and my family, as I've mentioned, is very, very big. And for us, family also includes like lifelong friends. So on Christmas Eve, we do have a Christmas Eve family celebration. And this year, technically my sister and I are hosting it, but we're doing it at my parents' house. But we are in charge of the food. Obviously, my mom still like pitches in and helps out on the food as well, just because it's, you know, what she likes to do. But my thing for that is that I am gonna make that 3-ingredient tortellini and Brussels sprout salad that I make a lot on my channel. So I need to go to Trader Joe's and go get those ingredients. But also too, on Christmas Day, I'm gonna make some mac and cheese. So we gotta go get some supplies for that. And like, I just know tomorrow the grocery stores are gonna be like insane. Today, they'll probably be insane as well. But I am working from home today, so I figured if I go midday today, I should be fine. But right now, I don't have any coffee in the house, so I need to go get coffee. And my friend was telling me that there's a coffee place called MoonGoat, not that far from my house, that makes really, really good coffee. So I'm gonna go check it out right now. That's where we're headed. But I did want to let you guys know on the last Vlogmas, I'm so sorry. Literally, I was packing till about 3 in the morning. You guys saw I was filming me packing, and the second that I turned off the camera, I started editing, and I was editing till about 5 in the morning, and I didn't realize that I forgot to put music in. So I apologize for that. We will get our shit together and put music in this Vlogmas. So I did just want to let you guys know. Sorry, I hate when I make mistakes like that. Like even very, very minor mistakes just like give me anxiety, but that one was such a big one. And that was honestly my fault for not watching it through and double checking everything. But like I said, it was 5 in the morning by the time that I finished, and I just needed to like export it and upload it right away. I honestly thought about taking it down and then putting in the music and re-uploading it when we got to the Rio, but I couldn't log on to their Wi-Fi, so I couldn't access anything through my computer. So I just like left it up, and you know, it's fine. Things happen, but I did just want to acknowledge that and say, yes, I know that I forgot to put music in, and I'm so sorry about that. But yeah, I'm excited to try this coffee house. I took a look at the menu. It's very simple, but my friend said that the coffee is really good quality. I am out of coffee at home. I'm really upset about that, and like the fastest place for me to get coffee at is at a mall, and I just like, I can't do it. You guys, I can't stomach the idea of going to a mall. It actually made me feel so much better that I got so much of my holiday shopping done so early that like I cannot bring myself to go to a mall right now, or to Target. Actually, now that I'm thinking about, like, the cat doesn't have any food, so I think I'm just gonna pick it up at the grocery store, even though it's so much more expensive. But I cannot deal with going anywhere that's gonna be crazy right now. But it's an extremely gloomy day here in Orange County. We are raining off and on, so it's gonna be a wet Christmas, which I'm not thrilled about. I don't like the rain. I hate the rain. But that's the other reason why I headed out of the house right now, is because there's like a break in the rain, and I just want to get everything and get back home before it starts dumping again, because it is pretty heavy rain. They're very, very nice in there. I liked the guy who was working the counter. He was really nice. So I just got like a regular drip coffee. I didn't feel like anything fancy today. And then I wanted to try their everything Pop-Tart. They had like an everything bagel Pop-Tart with cream cheese filling, but they sold out. So I am gonna try their, this is their blueberry jam one. sounded intriguing. And I've always like seen people do homemade Pop-Tarts, but I've never had one, so I'm very curious. Mmm! Oh my god, that's really good. Oh my god. I thought it was gonna be like really, really sweet. It's not at all. Like, they don't put too much jam in there. It's just the right amount. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's just like a little layer of it. It's not anything too much. It's not like, you know when places put like too much jam and stuff and it's like all of a sudden you get like a jam glob that just like bursts at you. This is like a good, respectable layer. Mmm. Oh my god. That's phenomenal. Holy crap. Really good. I'll try the coffee in a little bit just because it's really hot right now. But oh, and by the way, you guys, so one of the other things that I was gonna do this morning was go to Walmart to return the makeup. As I predicted, I only needed to use like a handful of the makeup, so luckily I can return a good amount of it, like half or more of that makeup, which is totally helpful because that was a huge expense that I was obviously not expecting to have had. So I think the return is gonna total somewhere north of $50, which is like so great. But now we are on our way to Trader Joe's to get the ingredients for my little tortellini Brussels sprout salad, and then we'll probably see if there's a grocery store that I can stop off at to get the supplies for mac and cheese. I think I can get a good amount of the mac and cheese supplies from Trader Joe's, but there's like, I know that there's for sure a couple of ingredients that I'll probably need to get from a regular grocery store, but we'll see how it goes. 2 quick updates while I wait for this parking spot. It is already fucking insane here at Trader Joe's. And number 2, this coffee is absolutely magnificent. A shout out to my friend Hillary for suggesting it to me. It's pretty amazing. Oh dear God, I wanted to vlog, but holy shit. You guys, that was like pure insanity. My stress levels are through the roof right now, so I definitely need this Pop-Tart. You would not believe how bad it was in there. I mean, right now I'm trying to get out of this parking lot and I am nervous about that. Oh, people don't want to let you through. Holiday spirit, you guys. And actually we need to film my haul today, but Trevor's leaving for work. He works tonight, so I think we'll just film it then because I want to use the living room and it'll just be easier, so yikes. Okay. All right, so I just got done with my Forever 21 and Windsor haul. Realized I forgot to film this little sweater. I don't know if you guys can see. It's just like a very, very soft like cowl neck gray sweater. It's fine. I don't feel like going back in and putting my lashes back on to do it. I had to take my lashes off because I wore my magnetic lashes during the try on and they fell off. So yeah, I'm over it. You guys will see it here in this Vlogmas. This is another thing that I got from Forever 21. Very comfy, super soft. Love it. I'll be wearing it all night. But now I have to clean up. I did already move the clothing rack. You guys can see it just out of the way. I need to put all of that stuff away. But this place is a little bit of a disaster zone. And I need to clean it up so that I can have space to wrap. But the kids are getting restless. So I'm going to feed them. And then it's been a little while since we've done a cleaning montage on my channel, so why don't we do that after I feed them? And especially right now because I'm waiting for my damn Vegas vlog to upload. It has been uploading for, I kid you not, 3 hours. I edited it and finished it right on time to be up by 6, and it's been uploading on YouTube this whole time, and I'm like, I'm gonna lose it. I don't understand why this is taking so long. It's always my vlogs that do this, and it's not like my vlogs are any longer than my other videos. It's almost like my computer knows that it's a vlog, and it's like, I'm gonna take 6 hours to upload. I have no idea what's going on. So if you were wondering yesterday why the Vegas vlog didn't go up at 6 p.m. Pacific time, this is why. This is why it's gonna end up going up very, very late. Honestly, at this point, it'll probably go up by like 9:30 p.m. So annoying. Hey guys, little snack. I'm gonna start cleaning. I'm Christmas, just like the ones I used to know. I'm So I am out of breath right now because now I'm running because we're gonna go watch Star Wars again. A friend of ours wanted to go see it and he was like bummed that we didn't wait for him. So I was like, I'll freaking go again. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna watch Star Wars again. Super stoked, but oh my god, I'm not wearing pants. Hold up. Okay, I got pants on. Not that it mattered to you guys at this angle, but like I just felt really uncomfortable, which is like so stupid because there's so many times where you guys see me like in my other videos, like my non-vlog videos, you know, the ones where I'm just sitting like talking to you. I'm either doing like a haul or I'm doing like some sort of makeup review or something. I'm not wearing pants in half those videos, so I don't know why I just got uncomfortable right now. I think it's because I'm standing. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna go watch Star Wars again. I don't have a problem. You have a problem if you have a problem with it. So now I need to WALK this guy back here, and then I have been putting off for some reason wrapping Trevor's second present. I don't know why. Actually, I've been putting off wrapping presents tonight, period. So I actually really need to do that. So I need to start on some of the stuff before we go. Just making myself a really quick bowl of pasta because it's actually about 10:30 and I actually have not eaten dinner yet. I've been snacking, but I need like a decent dinner, especially since it looks like I'm gonna be up late wrapping presents. Yeah, just gonna make myself just a small bowl of pasta, nothing too crazy. And then we actually have like a ton of leftover red vines from my birthday party. So I'm just gonna go ahead, whoops, and pack myself some red vines because the movie theater that we are going to, whoops, is one of like the nicer movie theaters. So everything's just like, I mean, movie theater snacks are already expensive, but everything there is just like slightly even more expensive. So I just wanna, you know, grab these if we have them here, might as well, you know? Okay, so a really quick, super good pasta. Just the Trader Joe's Genova pesto. Picked some of this up today. And then this Parmesan's from Trader Joe's, but like a week ago, but just some grated Parmesan. Honestly, I truthfully prefer to use shredded from Stater Brothers. There's a certain brand that they sell, but I haven't been able to get to Stater Brothers, so just picked this up from TJ's. And let's assemble. Honestly, you guys, I'm sure that this does not need a tutorial at all. I mean, this is so self-explanatory, but you know, I have the camera on, might as well put the pasta in there, duh. Okay, and take the pesto. And you guys, this pesto is the best. Like, so good. And yes, I was tempted to say this pesto is the besto. I like to be very generous with my scoops of pesto. Because, you know, life's short, why not? This might have actually been overly generous for the amount of pasta I put in here. Usually I actually make a bigger bowl of pasta, but since I've been snacking, I made a slightly smaller one. So I think now I did too much pesto, although there's no such thing. I mean, pesto is the greatest. No problem with that. Then just take some cheese, and if you're me, you're gonna be very generous with this step. I have Parmesan cheese problems if you are new to my channel. Michelle literally has a vlog titled Put the Cheese Down, and the reference is to me with a shaker of Parmesan cheese that I unscrewed then poured onto my pizza. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and microwave this bad boy just for about like 45 seconds or so. All right, then you get it just nice and melted, and take a little bit of fresh cracked pepper up top, and just like, if you're me, you're just gonna do that much. If you are someone who isn't a wimp with spice, you are gonna do much more. But yeah, that's it. Just nice, easy, simple pesto pasta. Okay, just got here. They chose a theater in Huntington Beach, so I'm very happy to be back. But I wanted to show you guys might have already seen it, but I put on a different Star Wars t-shirt. This one came from Forever 21. It was a little while ago, but I love this one. I have like no shortage of Star Wars t-shirts. It's a little bit ridiculous, but yeah, gonna go watch Star Wars again. Super excited because, like I said, I honestly loved it. I loved it. I know that like a lot of people didn't like it because they're like, oh, it was just fanfare. They were catering to the fans, but I'm a fan, so I feel very catered to, and I loved it. So excited, and I'll see you guys after the movie. All right, back home, and Star Wars was just as good the second time as it was the first time for me. I know, it was really good. Thank you for agreeing. But I am gonna go ahead and wrap a few presents, Don't worry, there will be a ton more to wrap tomorrow because it's Christmas Eve and I gotta get all of the wrapping done by then. So I'm gonna get a little head start right now, and then I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow to get ready for tomorrow's Christmas Eve dinner. See ya!
Christmas with every Christmas card.